Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm going to show you how to create form and report from Access. Okay, as you can see, I have given in the slide. Okay, this slide, if you check, okay, we have we are now in week 14. Okay, last week we learned about query. Okay, so we have learned on how to create query from tables in Access. Yeah, so the video is there. Please, those who did not check, please go back and check. Okay, we learned about select query, where we create a table, and from the table we select certain field in order to create query. Okay, you can check the video that we have inside the slide. As for today, we are in now week 14, 20th of April. Okay, so 20th of April now, we are going to do creating and editing form, also creating and editing report. Okay, so what we are going to do is actually creating and editing form and report. Okay, so this is our lesson plan for today. Okay, topic is creating and editing form and report. Objective at the end of the lesson, all of you should be able to create a simple form and report from Access database. Okay, do check our resource folder in the Edmodo. Okay, after the class is finished, you may go back and check. Yeah, you are already at home. Sorry. So what is form and report? Yeah. What is form actually? What is form in Access? Actually, Microsoft Access allow you to create form. User means you, okay? Where you can add or change information or data that is stored in the database. Meaning that, let's say, so far we did in our database usually, okay, we have, so far we create only 10 students, right? We have 10 students there. So you can add, let's say we have another new students, 5 more students coming, yeah? New students. So you can add, okay, in the table, students table, let's say I will use example the student table, you can add 5 more students data, okay, through the form, to the form, okay. So there are 2 types of form. We have bound form and unbound form, and these forms has lots of subtype, you know, many types, but we are going to learn only one thing today. We are going to do bound form, where a data is actually connected to, the form is actually connected to the table. Okay, it's bound to the table. So when data is changed, so does the table. Okay, unbound is not updated, not relate, not relate. I mean, the form is not related to the table. Somehow it has some other use. Okay, but the one that we are using today is bound form. Yeah. So how to create and edit form? Okay, this video, the attachment will be given to you later after I'm done with this. And I will attach this the video link here. Okay, so this is about form. Okay, I'm not going to report yet. I'll go to form first. Later on, after I'm done with a form, then we will go to report. Okay, so let me show you how do we work with form. Okay, how do you create a form from a database? Okay, we will be using this database. Okay, this one is I made some adjustment. Okay, please check also in your Edmodo. I have attached it there. Okay, so we have these 4 tables. Okay, we have these 4 tables. Okay, We have classes, enrollment, parents, and students info. Okay, I need you to ignore all the sound, yeah? What sound that I have, okay? So we have students info, parents, enrollment, and classes. From this, we are going to create this, okay? You just wait, I'm going to show you what we will create out of this.
Teacher, isn't that supposed to be one more?
Huh?
Isn't that supposed to be one more?
One more what? No.
Table.
No, I made some adjustment.
Okay.
That's why I need you to download what's the latest one. Okay? What's the latest one that I have? Yeah. So can you see this? Okay, so from these four tables, we are going to
not new.
Sorry? Sorry? Okay. From this one,
Nothing.
can I talk? We are having class right now. Come on. So we have four things here, four tables here. From these four tables, we are going to create one query, okay, two forms, and two reports. But in here, I show you how to create the form first. How to create and edit, okay? So usually form is created in order for you to update a table. Okay, so we have info table here. So in this example, I have added few more students. We have one more student named Bradley. We have Wardah, we have Widat, okay? So I added three more students, okay? So let me show you how to add the students through form. It's easier actually, okay? So this form somehow is a combination from two tables, from students info and parents, okay? Look at the form that I have created. So I have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 field, okay? I purposely put this as red because I want to show you later how we can edit the form, okay? So just ignore this red color suddenly, okay? Okay, so student ID are from students info table, okay? So what else do we have? Class ID, okay? Class ID from another table. And then we have grade from another table, class name from another table, and instructor from another table. Okay, oh, sorry. Let's go to here, easier. Okay, not easier, but easier for you to understand. New students info form. Later on. And you can see the pictures, the picture here, the image here. Okay, this is a sign of a table, query, and these are forms. This shows reports, okay? So please pay attention. And then how to create the form? We are creating student info form, okay, or new students info form. Okay, we are adding new students. So two tables in this form. So we have student ID, name, age, gender, and we have information of their parents. So students and parents form are together. Okay. Students and parents table are connected together in order to create this new student info form. So let's go to create. Okay. And then let's go to in my how to say ribbon, I have to go to we have to go to form wizard. Okay, so I go to more forms. For you, you go to form wizard. Okay, so you choose the tables and queries that you want to connect together. Okay, so in my case just now, what do I have? I connected students info and parents. Okay, let's go to students info. Okay, and what are the field from students info that I choose? Okay, so I have student ID, name, okay, student ID, name, and then I have age, I have gender, and I have date of birth. Basically all. Okay, basically all. Okay. And then I have from parents. What do I have from parents? Since we have student ID already in, we have include the field, the student ID field already from student info table. So now we go for parents name. Okay. IC number, passport number. Okay. And then phone, basically almost all. Okay. Except for occupation. Okay. I don't think I put occupation. Okay. So we have all this in parents table except for these two. Or you can add. I want to add occupation. Wait, I put country out. I put occupation and I put country. Okay. So what I will do, I click next. Okay. I click tabular. Okay. And then I click next. Here you can choose however you want. I choose office. Okay. The style that you want. So I choose office. And then here, modify the form design. Okay, what's the title do you want? What's the title? Okay, the title is new student info form. Okay, new students info form 2. Okay, because I have one already. Okay, so now I click finish. Okay, when you click finish, what you will see here is actually the form, but like tables and query, it has different view. Okay, it has different view. Okay. So you go back up here, you go back at the ribbon here at the design, click view. Okay. You have lots of view. This is form view. Okay. Or layout view. Okay. Okay, you see the form view, you can see design view are the view that you can choose to edit. Okay, now that we have created the form, we are learning how to edit the form. Okay, we want to learn how to edit the form. Okay, form view is a form view, the one that you will see. Okay, in this layout and design view, these are the two views that you can use to edit or adjust the form. Okay. Usually, I would suggest that if you want to edit anything, it will be easier for you to go to layout view. Okay. Okay. So what you can do in the layout view, you can change, let's say the widths are too big. Okay. For me, I prefer to go to design view. Okay. It's too big. So what I want to do is maybe I want to adjust the size. Okay, let's say student ID, I think better for you to look from the layout view. Okay, so I want to adjust the size of the field. Okay, so I just click up here, click, okay, click and drag. Okay, click and drag up here the header, and we need this to be a bit bigger. Okay, and then parents name maybe a bit smaller. Phone number, maybe you want it to be big, a bit smaller. Okay. Address also. Click at the header here, yeah. Address, maybe you want to make it a bit bigger. Occupation and country, maybe country also I want to make it a bit smaller. Okay. So we have adjusted the okay. We have adjusted the table. Okay, the width of the table. Of the form. Okay, let's go to the other view, the other type of view, form view. So it looks like this, yeah. you can adjust the width actually, you know. I'm this, okay, I'm making it smaller. Oh. Okay, so let's go and see. Wait, form view also. This is how it looks like, okay? And you can also change the okay. Let's say I want to change the gender. Okay, not gender, date of birth, parents' name, IC number. Okay, parents' number, phone number.
Teacher, you want to change gender like yesterday?
Sorry?
You want to change gender like yesterday? The thing that you did?
It's like table where you can change the position of the field. Okay, you can just click at the header here and you can drag. And then
Okay.
same goes to the press here also. Okay, press control. Okay. I don't know why it's. You can change also the layout. Not layout, I would say. You can format. I would say format. Say, if you look at this name, okay, the table header is the table the header of the field, okay, of the form is in left alignment. So we can put in the middle. Okay, I just want you to look. Okay. Okay. And you can change the color. Okay. I want it to be red. This one I want it to be blue. This one I want it to be purple. Let's say, okay, let's say. And you can change the type of font. This is just to show you, okay? Just to show you. You want to make it bigger. So these are among the things that you can do with form, okay? Don't forget to save. And then let's view the form. The form looks like this, okay? Of course, if you want to do, you can standardize everything, okay? So this is about form, where form is actually created from a table. You can link from one table to one table or one table, whatever, okay? From this. And then you can print out the form, or not really print out. What you can do is you print report, okay? And then let's say, let's go back to the form. This is form 2, okay, student form 2. I want to add new student, okay? Just to show you how it works. Okay, the name of the student is La La La. Okay, age is 12, male. Okay. Okay, date of birth. I'm just putting any number because we are suddenly out of time. I don't think we can set the time actually to more than 1 hour. Okay. Yes, I did. Okay, wait, I did. So don't have IC number, dash, let's say. Okay. I'm filling in the, sorry, the information now. Okay. And then country is, let's say, yes, I will, and then click save. Okay. And then refresh all, refresh. Let's go back to student info table. Do we have any student name La 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 La? We should have, yeah. Ayo. 2, 3.
Isn't that Wala, teacher?
No, I don't know who's that. I just put La 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 La.
Wa la 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 la.
So when you click refresh all, you can see la 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 is there. Okay, so you can see how the form works. Okay, I have 4 minutes more. I will create after this. Check your Edmodo. I will create one more session for report. Yeah, actually I put 1 hour and 30 minutes, but they don't allow that. Okay, so I will create a session for report. I will
Teacher,
paste. Yes.
When it kicks you out, can you just join back in?
I don't know because it will end. I don't have time to answer this right now. Okay, let I create a new session. You join. I will post it on Edmodo and just join. Yeah. So right now you can see whatever adjustment that you make in the form is bound to these 2 tables. You see what table we have? KKK. Okay. I choose this name so that you can see the difference. Okay. You can see that? Okay. So what you will do now, after this, you rejoin, you join a new session, okay? When this one is end. If you look here, we have student info table, student info form, students enrollment form, okay? I need you to do this also, okay? I need you to do this also, student info enrollment form, okay? So you go back after this, after the class end, you try to do this form, student info form, with all the fields, this field, and student enrollment form, okay? And you can adjust, okay? You can format the form, okay? So this is about form. Form, to conclude, form is created in order for you to add more information or more data into tables. So it was created from tables, and then you fill in the form, whatever thing that you add or delete in the form, okay? Whatever adjustment that you do will also be done into the tables. Understand? In this case, if you add more information, okay, in this form, since student info forms come from student info and parents, so whatever changes that you make to this form will be done also in these 2 tables. Understand? Okay. So do you have any question that you want to ask? Any question?
So what are the forms we're going to create? Like, what are we going to do now? Like, which ones?
These 2. Form, student info form, student enrollment form. This one is just example that I create for you.
Okay.
Okay. So these are the 2 things that you have to do. Student info
So
form.
teacher, this due tomorrow?
This is due tomorrow. Why? I just want to see who's doing and who's not, because I can see that some of the work, some of you did not send it yet. Okay. Okay.
That's true.
I'm and this one. After this, please join a new one. We are going to record for. We are going to do class for report. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So am I clear? Yes.
I cannot download OpenOffice even on mobile or thing.
Oh, no mobile here. No mobile. That's why I asked how many of you actually have a laptop or you are sharing with your family.
Parents.
I want to know. I need to know. So class is almost end. So I'll meet you in next session. Okay. So any question answer session will be done in the next class. Yeah. So thank you very much. Just wait for a new. How to say? Just wait for.
New link?
Yes, true. New link. Okay. So anything?